Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add automatic serial numbers to your Notion database, a super handy feature for anyone managing lists, tracking projects, or just wanting an easy way to keep things organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a dynamic serial number column that updates itself, so you never have to manually count or fill things in again. Let's jump right into Notion and get started. Imagine you have a table, maybe it's for tasks, inventory, contacts, anything you want. You want to see at a glance which item is number 1, which is 2, 3, and so on without having to add those numbers by hand. That's where the serial number property comes in. Start by looking at your database in Notion, your table view. On one of the columns, you'll see a little plus sign that allows you to add a new property. Go ahead and click that. From the list of property types, choose ID. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit or use the search bar. Notion updates sometimes change where things appear, but the ID property is what you want. Once this property is added, Notion will automatically generate a serial number for each row, starting at 1 and counting upward. It's really effortless. As soon as you add a new item to your database, it gets the next number in the sequence. If you've ever used spreadsheets and had to drag the cell to fill the numbering, you'll appreciate how this feature saves a ton of time and cuts out any chance for mistakes, especially as your database grows. Now, here's something really cool. You're not stuck with just plain numbers. Click on the property you just made. That's your new ID column. Select Edit Property. Here, you'll see an option to add a prefix to your serial numbers. For example, let's say you're cataloging products. You might add prod before each number so it reads prod 1, prod 2, and so on. If you're building a guest list, maybe you use guest. Adding a prefix helps make your serials more meaningful and unique, which can be super helpful if you need to reference them elsewhere or just want your table to look extra clean. Don't worry if this part takes a few moments, especially if you're changing the property for a big database. Notion sometimes needs a second to update all entries. It's also totally okay if you're not sure what prefix to use yet. You can always edit it later, so feel free to experiment. Last, for a final touch of organization, let's move your new serial number column to the very front of your database. Hover over the column's name, click, hold, and simply drag it to the far left position. It becomes the first thing you see on each row, making identification a breeze. Whether you're sorting, searching, or sharing your database, having that serial up front helps everyone understand the order and reference rows much faster. And there you have it, your Notion database now automatically numbers every entry, saving you time and improving your workflow. If something didn't work the way you expected or you have a particularly tricky use case, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm always here to help, and other viewers might benefit from your question too. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.